What is the ops formula in baseball statistics? Have you ever wondered how baseball fans measure a player's offensive performance? One of the key statistics used is ops, which stands for On-Base Plus Slugging. This formula combines two important metrics, on-base percentage and slugging percentage. Let's break it down. The formula for ops is simple. You add the on-base percentage to the slugging percentage. This gives a clearer picture of a player's overall offensive contribution. First, let's talk about on-base percentage. This statistic tells us how often a player reaches base safely. It includes hits, walks, and times hit by a pitch. To calculate on-base percentage, you take the total number of times a player reaches base and divide it by the total number of plate appearances. This includes at-bats, walks, sacrifice flies, and hit by pitches. A higher on-base percentage means a player is good at avoiding outs and creating chances for scoring. Now onto slugging percentage. This metric measures a player's power by looking at the total bases they earn per at-bat. Unlike batting average, which treats all hits the same, slugging percentage gives more weight to extra base hits. For example, a double counts 4 to bases, a triple 4-3, and a home run 4-4. This way, you can see how well a player can hit for power and drive in runs. When you combine on-base percentage and slugging percentage, you get ops. This number provides a more complete view of a player's offensive value than either metric alone. It reflects both how often a player gets on base and how effective they are at hitting for power. For instance, if a player has an on-base percentage of 350 and a slugging percentage of 515, their ops would be 865. This indicates strong offensive production. Ops is popular because it allows fans and analysts to compare players across different teams and eras. However, it does have its limitations. It does not account for a player's defensive skills, base running, or how they perform in specific situations. There is also an adjusted version called Ops Plus. This version normalizes ops based on league averages and ballpark factors. An Ops Plus of 100 represents league average, while numbers above 100 indicate better performance. In summary, the ops formula is a straightforward addition of on-base percentage and slugging percentage. This combination helps evaluate a player's offensive effectiveness in baseball, making it a useful tool for analyzing players from both the past and present.